Yvonne and welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making a really quick drink that I learned while doing research for a Colombia trip called Limonada de Coco. It's a really refreshing warm weather drink. It's refreshing and very rich and creamy at the same time because of the coconut. And it's really one of the easiest summer drinks that you can make. It literally only has 3 different ingredients other than ice. And I'm going to show you how to make it today. To get started, we're going to go through our ingredients really quickly. So we're going to be using 1 cup of coconut milk. Make sure that you don't get the low-fat kind or the thinned-out kind. You want either coconut cream or coconut milk. My favorite brand of coconut milk to use, it's canned. It's Arroy-D. This is the organic version, but of course you can also buy the non-organic version as well. It's a product of Thailand, so you know that it's going to be really tasty, authentic, and delicious. We're also going to be using lime juice, so make sure that you use freshly squeezed. I'm using about 1/3 cup of lime juice that I've already pre-squeezed. Make sure that you do a taste test of your lime juice as you're squeezing it to ensure that it's not bitter. Then on top of those 2 ingredients, we're going to use sugar. So definitely adjust to taste. I usually use white granulated sugar, but this time because I had some brown sugar left over from another recipe, we're going to be adding in some brown sugar. So the way that we'll start is we're going to be making 2 servings of coconut or Limonada de Coco, and we're going to be blending it up with our blender. To start, I'm just going to add these ingredients into my blender. So first, the coconut milk or coconut cream. It's thickened a bit. Just add that in, every last bit. Then we're going to add in our 1/3 cup of freshly squeezed lime juice. And then we're going to start with about 3 tablespoons of sugar. Just add that right in. And then we're going to add in maybe about 1.5 cups of ice cubes. So mix that all in. So now we're going to blend it up. I've just given the blender just a quick stir before we start the motor. So I'm just going to put the top on. Make sure that my blender is plugged in. Place it on top. And then we're going to do some blending. So here we go. So now we're just going to do a quick check. So I said that this is basically a coconut limeade. It's kind of like mixed between a coconut limeade and a coconut slushy with lime. So I'm just going to do a quick mix. As you can see, this texture is kind of thick because of all those ice cubes that we added. I'm going to do a quick taste test just to see if it's sour and also sweet enough for my taste. You can definitely adjust as you like. That is definitely perfect for me. What we're going to do now is we're going to pour these into glasses and then we will enjoy them. So now we're going to do our pour. It's going to look like it's more than 2 servings, but this is really about 2 servings. Oops. Bit splattery. I'm just going to garnish them with some little lime wedges, and then you can enjoy. This is really, really delicious and refreshing. Definitely one of my happiest takeaways from our Colombia trip. But every time I make this at home, it always reminds me of how much fun we had and all the delicious food and the drink that we had. So definitely hope that you can make this at home. It's really quick. Again, only 3 ingredients other than ice. So definitely try this out and let me know what you think. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.